What is up, you guys? I'm so excited to be here. My name is Ashley Cruz, and I am a mindset and a career coach for Embracing the Uncertain, which is a company I created to help women transform their personal and their professional lives. And today, we are talking all about job search strategy. Girl, I know job search strategy is overwhelming. It is exhausting, and sometimes it can be downright energy sucking. And so today I want to give you 3 practical tips to help you get out of your own way and onto the career of your dreams. So let's talk a little bit about step 1 or tip number 1. Tip number 1 is to get into that journal. Get into your journal and understand or ask yourself why you are avoiding the job search. What about it feels overwhelming and exhausting? What if it feels like mentally tiring for you? And really sit down and understand what is coming up for you and what is blocking you in that idea of finding a new job. And one of the things that I hear so often with many of my clients is that it is so exhausting to write a resume. To have to formulate all of your experience into one 8.5 by 11 page document is exhausting. And girl, I feel you, dude, I feel you. Like, I get it. I used to ghostwrite resumes and I totally understand. So if that is your block, stay tuned because I'm gonna give you some ideas on how to handle it. Once you identify what your block is, you can move to step 2. Step 2 is to take aligned action, to figure out a way to bust past that block. So for example, if the resume is the thing that's holding you back and it just feels so exhausting to even put the energy there, maybe consider hiring somebody to write your resume for you. Most resume writers, and I know from experience because I used to do it, they will work with you to identify what skill sets you have and how that translates into the job market today. And so it's a really beautifully collaborative experience, and that is what those types of people are meant to do in this world. They want to help translate your experience, so hire somebody. If you're not in a position to hire somebody to help you with your resume, no problem. What I would suggest is just to break down that big resume into small chunks and take a little chip at it every single day. So maybe it's that today you create your objective line. Maybe tomorrow it's that you rewrite your last job experience. Maybe the next day you research different types of jobs so that you know how to explain your experience and what pieces of your experience might relate to the job that you're looking for. So you can see that as we start to chip away, it feels less overwhelming, and all it requires you to do is to take some aligned action, no matter how big or how small. So my last tip, tip number 3, is to pursue the job that you desire most. We all know that quarantine has changed our lives forever, and this is a huge opportunity for you to show up in your career like you have never ever showed up before. It's time to stop playing small, and it's time to go for the big dreams. You are already qualified, you are already there, and you already have what you need to be everything that you desire in that career move. So yeah, of course there might be some gaps. So if you would like, I would highly recommend to go out to LinkedIn, check out the job boards, see what lights you up, see what types of jobs just get you so excited. Look at that job description and understand what gaps you might have in your ability to actually get said job. You can start to create a little bit of confidence in yourself by identifying those skill gaps, whether that's through an e-course, hiring a coach, whatever it might be, to help you believe that you are qualified and can actually get that job. Because once you believe it, it will be yours, I promise you. Especially if you're going after something that is of the highest good and compassion for yourself. The universe is here to support your dreams. It's not here to kick you down. So when you feel intuitively led to go after a big dream, a big career goal, a pivot in your career, there is a reason, and it's time to start trusting that. So I hope this was helpful. If it still feels overwhelming, I hear you. I want to support you. I have 3 spots open for my one-to-one mentorship starting in the month of May. I would love to have you as part of that. If you've never hired a coach before, I highly recommend getting on my schedule to just spend a little bit of time understanding what coaching is, how it can help you. I'm happy to talk through those details with you. And if you're still not bought into needing some help, don't worry, I've got a free resource for you. I'm hosting a live workshop next Friday, May 1st on Zoom, all about how to kickstart your career without fear, right? Like no more fear. Let's show up big the rest of the year. Time is of the essence. We need to do it now because it is not promised, right? So if you're interested in that workshop, go ahead and register. The link is in my bio and I can't wait to see you guys then. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.